Hello, dear pupils. It's time to learn more about time. You already know how to read a digital clock. So what time do you see? Yes, it's 2:05 p.m. Right now we will deal with analog time. Let's have a closer look at this clock. You can see two hands on this clock. The long hand on the left is the minute hand. It indicates the 60 minutes. The short hand on the right is the hour hand and indicates 12 hours. How do you read an analog clock? Well, you need to remember 5 expressions. O'clock, past, 2, half past, and a quarter or just quarter. Okay, but when do we use these 5 expressions? If the long hand is pointing to 12, we say o'clock. So what time is it on this clock? Right, it's 8 o'clock. When do we use the expressions past and to? If the long hand goes right, we use the word past. If the long hand goes left of the clock, we use the word to. So the word past means over, the word to voor. So 5 over wordt 5 past, 10 over 10 past, kwart over quarter or a quarter past, 20 over 20 past, 25 over 25 past, half wordt half past. You can never say half to, that's completely wrong. You can only say half past. 25 voor 25 to, 20 voor 22, kwart voor a quarter to, 10 voor 10 to, 5 voor 5 to en een volledig uur blijft o'clock. Let's practice. What time is it in this clock? Do we need to use the expression past or to? Good one. We need the word past. Always remember, first say minutes followed by the hours. So what time is it? Well done. It's 5 past 11. Next one. Which word do we need? Indeed, to. Say the minutes first. So what time is it here? Good one. It's 25 to 9. One more try. Which word do we need? Good one. We need the word past. Remember, say the minutes first. So what time is it? It's 20 past 2. Last one. Which word do we need? Good. The word to. Say the minutes first. What time is it here? It's quarter to 7 or a quarter to 7. Pay attention. Op deze klok is het 2:30. Hoe zeg je nu weer half? Well done, half past. But is it 2:30 or 3:30? What do you think? It's 2:30. Een half uur over 2. Dus let hier goed op. In het Nederlands zeggen we het is 2:30. Maar in het Engels wordt dat dus een half uur over 2. Dus 2:30. Tip. Kijk tussen welke 2 getallen de shorthand staat. En gebruik dan gewoon het eerste getalletje. Let's have a look at this clock. We already know that we're talking about the expression half past. We can see the shorthand is in between 10 and 11. So what time is it here? It's 10:30. Well done. Let's have a look at the last clock to practice. What time is it in this clock? You can see the shorthand in between the numbers 1 and 2. So what time is it? Well done. It's 1:30. Okay, one last thing. Pay attention. When do we need to use the word minutes? Let's have a look at these 2 examples. In the first example, we can see that it is 7 voor 9. So we say it's 7 minutes to 9. In the second clock, we can see it is 13 minuten over 10. So we say it's 13 minutes past 10. So when do we use the word minutes? When the long hand points to a number which is not a multiple of 5. Dus geen veelvoud van 5. Het hoort niet tot de tafel van 5. So we're talking about numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, 13, 14, and so on. On page 180 in your workbook, you can find a summary about telling the time. But first of all, let's have a quick look at this clock and let's find out if you remember the 5 expressions. Let's have a look at the red color first. If the longhand goes to the right, which word do you need to remember? Good one, past. If the longhand goes to the left, you need to remember the word to. If we're talking about a full hour, you need to remember the word o'clock. If you want to express half, you need to remember half past. And if you're talking about 15 minutes, you need to remember a quarter past or quarter past and a quarter to or quarter to. Well done. Let's have a quick look at the good to know part. It's 3:30, dus een half uur over 3, dat is 3:30. It's 9:30, een half uur over 9, dus het is 9:30. The half past doesn't mean quite the same as in Dutch. Dus goed opletten, het is 3:30 kan je niet letterlijk gaan vertalen. Onthoud altijd, het is een half uur over 3. 6:12, it's 6 minutes past 12. 14 voor 9, it's 14 minutes to 9. You have to say minutes when it is not a multiple of 5. So please remember, als je getalletje niet thuis hoort in de tafel van 5, moet je het woordje minutes gaan gebruiken. Good. This was all I have to say. There's no time to waste. It's time to do some exercises. You can find them on our website in your workbook. Good luck. See you next time. Take care. Bye.